Friends, a leading neurosurgeon from Europe reported with severe anxiety, nervousness, and fear of death. He would get up at the middle of night, suddenly with severe palpitation and fear that he will die. He would go to the balcony, open the window, or he would get so restless and start moving with no relief in the anxiety. Although he was a doctor and a leading neurosurgeon, his anxiety was so severe that he would go and repeatedly take the cardiogram. He would get admitted in the hospital with no clear diagnosis. This continued for many weeks. His friends started making fun of him. He changed the cardiologist, he changed the hospital, but no relief. He happened to listen to one of my lectures and he fell in love with homeopathy. He thought, if nothing is working, let me try homeopathy. He called from Europe and gave me complete history. It was a pleasant surprise. The remedy was so clear. The symptoms were severe panic reaction, palpitation, restlessness, anxiety, fear of death, desire for open air, better by cold, better by uncovering the cardiac portion of the chest. He would just uncover the left side of the chest. As soon as the palpitation started, it became uncomfortable for him. So, rubrics: anxiety, panic reaction, palpitation, fear of death, desire for open air, better by cold air, better by uncovering the chest, and sudden palpitation. And here you see, Ferrum comes up very high, and amazingly, the patient was prescribed Ferrum at 201 dose. He reported after 3 days that he was able to sleep better. Anxiety do come, but with much lesser severity and lesser intensity. Much lesser intensity. 3 doses. In 3 months, total Ferrum at 3 doses were given. The neurosurgeon recovered completely with no complications. He became a strong believer of homeopathy and started referring many cases on a regular basis. And he would make point to attend my every lecture whenever I traveled to Europe. He would give his beautiful villa for me to stay. What do we learn? Such functional cases respond to remedies very fast. Complete reversal is possible in a shortest span of time if your remedy is right. This proves that homeopathy works at psycho, neuro, endocrinal level, thus reversing a complete process. It is very important that we respect both mind and body and we have a holistic approach in life giving relief to the patients. Such cases should come out openly in public and doctors should become our brand ambassadors.